Hey, what's going on? My name is Ricardo Figueroa. In this video, I'm about to jump my computer in a few seconds and I'm about to show you how to start doing affiliate marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing for free. The website that I'm about to show you is going to show you step by step how to start, what's a landing page, how to track traffic sources, free traffic sources, paid traffic sources. There are all kinds of stuff. It's going to show you how to do SEO, native ads, if you want to do affiliate marketing. There are so many different ways to make affiliate marketing that is insane. You have to pick one. But if you're looking to start, you are like a newbie affiliate marketing, this is for you. If you're an expert, kind of medium affiliate marketer, this is also for you. They have plenty of training in the website that I'm about to show you that is insane. So stay tuned and let's go and jump in my computer right now. Hey, how you doing? My name is Ricardo Figueroa, and like I said, I'm gonna show you how to start with affiliate marketing in a free way. This website is the link is below. And if it's Facebook, it's gonna link above. The link is gonna be above. But this website is going to show you what affiliate marketing is all about. It's going to start from using free training to native ads, PPC, which is when you use Google or Bing ads. It's going to show you the entire thing, or how to set up a landing page, how to upload a landing page to your server. Even not on the free version. There are two different versions, right? There's the free version, and you could get certified in a free, and I'm about to show you how you could get certified with affiliate marketing. You get a certificate once you do the free training. But there is also a premium version of this, and it's only like $37 or $47 a month. But you could start for free, like I mentioned. You could just start learning affiliate marketing for free. But if you jump to the premium side of this, it's very compared to the price that you're about to pay. If you decide to go premium, it's $47 a month. You are going to learn, let me show you the back office. So you are going to learn, this is my dashboard. So you will get a dashboard. You get getting started, which is going to take you step by step. There are a lot of trainings. Thanks for checking out. This video is going to walk you through it, how to find the links and so on. But there is also um this right here. You will go like step by step. This is what I mean with the step by step. It's a called Power Action Plan, Powerhouse Action Plan, and it's going to show you the big picture, how affiliate marketing works, the plan overview, learning the basic, getting certified. This is the certification that I mentioned before. Video tutorials, so step by step, over the shoulder training, um, and you can't miss anything because everything is like laid out for you, what to do, what not to do. Even they have a good customer service in this website. And I'm not a newbie doing affiliate marketing. I know, I could say I'm a medium person doing affiliate marketing. I ran ads from adult, which are like porn sites and so on. Adult marketing. I did that with A1. I know how to do social media, Facebook, Snapchat. There's a training about that here. I know how to do free traffic like Twitter, Instagram, and so on. I also know about native ads, and everything that I know. I learned with this website right here. The step to affiliate network setup. They have their own affiliate network, in which is good. Most of the people that I see on other videos are wanna get into cash network. Why I can get to max bounty? Why I can get into this and that? Guess what? All that is going to an end, because once you join their premium version, you are going to be part of their affiliate network. So you are going to get accepted regardless if you're a newbie or no newbie. And they have from skincare, e-commerce. They have all kinds of offers here that are ready for you. And like I said, it's gonna be a step-by-step showing you how to sign up, what to write to their support once you are ready to go. Step 3, choosing offers, landing pages. It's gonna show you how to upload that landing page to your server, and they have a free hosting, so you don't have to pay for hosting. Most of the time, a good hosting could cost you from $8 to $50. So you will save that money on that. Step 4, like I said, web hosting. You get a free web hosting with them. Keep going, installing your landing page. They recommend Optimize Press, and that goes inside of any WordPress. Also, that's another step by step here. You could use ClickFunnels. There's a link for the 14-day trial, free trial below the video. But if you use Optimize Press, it's only a one-time payment of $97, and it's a good thing and it's a bad thing, because with Optimize Press you pay $97, which is a minimum, but it's only for one website. That landing page and Optimize Press has to be attached to that just one WordPress. But if you pay $300, you could attach that Optimize Press for like to like 30 different WordPress. But it's up to you. If you want to just make one payment, one website, go for it. If not, pay ClickFunnels, and that's $97 a month. And there's a link below this video if you're watching this on YouTube, so you could get a 14-day trial. But let's keep going about this Powerhouse. Now, getting approved for the offer, they're gonna show you how to get approved. Remember, they have their own affiliate network, so you don't have to worry about that. Once you go premium, you will get accepted, and you could run any offers they have. And keep watching, because they have a lot of stuff. Choosing a traffic source. This trainings could be, you could use, like I said, PPC, Google, Bing ads, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, native ads. They have a whole training about native, and that's what I do. I focus more on native than Facebook. Adding offer links, landing page, how to add the links to your landing page the proper way with the tracking and everything. If you have a tracker, um, it's not gonna work. The tracker that I recommend is Beamup, and it's free. That way you could save money. Think about this: you are saving money on hosting, you are saving money on tracker. That's a two huge one. You're saving maybe 100 or $200 on that just alone. Volume went up like 150, 190 from $100. So you're saving a lot of money once you join these people with a Powerhouse. Plus, you get my help. Once you join me with this affiliate, Powerhouse affiliate, and you stay active in the premium, I will help you. We could schedule a call, I could go over your ads and help you out. So it's like a free mentorship. I'm gonna do this until the end of 2018, and then after that, I'm gonna have some coaching available, but it's not gonna be free. But if you're watching this, just take advantage right now. Still 2018. They also have a Facebook group. If you have questions, guess what? You get the support. I'll be in that group too. They have an affiliate forum. So if you have any questions about anything, how to optimize, how to do this and that, they also have a forum. So this is only for members. They also have a YouTube channel. Webinar library. I really like this one, and I'm gonna show you why. Because they have like 4 or 5 webinars recording that are very awesome, and it shows you everything. And I mean, the things that you're going to watch in these webinars, people are charging $1,000 for that course, 500, and you name it. All it's all free once you go premium. But you could start for free, like I mentioned before. You could start for free and watch the free content that they have. And if you like it, just upgrade to premium. If not, don't worry about it. Just keep the free version. It's free. Is not gonna hurt you. So, but this webinar is all about the converting landing pages, how to get better conversions, creating a good landing page. Everything is like step by step. This webinar, I watched this yesterday. He made $10,000 as he shows how to make money with AdSense. At the same time, he's running CPA offers, and it was insane. This is something that I learned yesterday, and I'm about to apply this and make more money on top of my CPA offers, and that's just insane. This training is crazy. How to make money with native advertising. I watched this training, and they just look for the offers. They show you how to find widgets that are working. If you don't know what a widget is, trust me, go to the training that they have here and learn everything that they have. It's worth it. I'm telling you, saving $1,000 for all the stuff that you are going to see here, instead of paying for one course, which maybe is outdated. Everything is fresh here. How to set up direct linking campaigns, getting free traffic with no investment. These webinars are priceless. What else? Courses. Let's go over the courses. This is another area that I like. Signature courses. This is where you get the affiliate marketing certification. Basically, this is in the free version. They're gonna show you what's a landing page, what is a tracker, abbreviations and stuff like that, things that you need to understand and be part of the affiliate marketing world. Powerhouse Affiliate, how to promote this powerhouse. They also have their own affiliate marketing. When you help other people or show other people how to make money with affiliate marketing, just refer them to your Powerhouse Affiliate link. And that's what I'm doing right now, and they could start for free if they jump to the premium version, and I'm sure they will. Most of the people will, because of the training that they have inside here is insane. You will get paid. Affiliate Business Builder, same thing. CPA Academy, I really love this training. This was one of the best that I have seen. It's going to show you how to run native ads, and if you don't know what native ads, I'm gonna try to show you really quick what a native ad is. I'll pick you up now. Alright. So I'm gonna show you really quick if I can find one. If not, I'm gonna do another video, because my channel is gonna be all about affiliate marketing and how to succeed, how to make money with affiliate marketing. This is just a normal CNN website. I'm inside of an article about whatever Trump is going, whatever. It's loading, kind of slow because I'm recording. This is where the ads are gonna show. You see, this says paid content. This is these are native ads right here. As you can see, it says sponsored, but it looks like it's content inside the same website, part of CNN, when it's not. These are just offers, different offers, or different like blogs and stuff like that, so they make money with AdSense. And so on. But as you can see, looks like it's part of the CNN.com website, but it's not. These are paid ads. It's called native ads. And when you click on here, people sign up to your offer, you get paid. But I'm gonna create another video about that later. Don't worry about that now. For now, let's go back to the courses. I already covered that CPA Display Academy, CPA Catchpole. I haven't gone through this one, but I'm sure it's gonna be awesome, because that's the one I'm gonna do today. Website traffic certification. If you don't know how to dominate traffic, you're not gonna make money. And the thing is that if once you learn these skills about website traffic, conversions, landing page, guess what? You don't have to. This skill is not just for affiliate marketing. These skills could be for any other business, like small business. They don't know how to do lead generation. Basically, affiliate marketing is lead generation. You're finding people that for a service or a product or an app for download. There are so many ways to make money with affiliate marketing that is insane. And it says right here, you learn about multiple different traffic streams you can tap into, like social media, PPC, pay-per-view, display, and many more. This is an awesome course, and I'm telling you, all these courses could be sold for like at least $1,000 a month or more. And so far, we have more than 4 or 5 courses here that you could get access once you join the premium. 5 email list, how to work with your email list and so on. I'm not into this right now, as of now, building my email list, but this is something that I really want to do in the future. But for now, I'm gonna stick to native ads, doing retargeting on Facebook, and then I'm gonna move. My other plan is to create a viral blog
and work with AdSense. That's my goal with those two things. And then I'm gonna move to something else and just grow my YouTube channel, showing people how to make money with affiliate marketing. Maybe I do some e-commerce stuff, but that's gonna be later. Text advertising, sample campaign, CPA mobile mayhem. There are so many courses here that is insane for just like $47 a month. You could just pay for 1 month and you just don't get out of the house. Just stick. If you don't want to spend that too much money, just pay for 1 month. Start for free, get the certification, and then pay. Go premium. Go $47. It's not gonna hurt you. Plus all the knowledge that they have here. People setting Facebook campaigns. People get banned most of the time. They don't even know what they're doing for with Facebook campaigns. You could read that for free here. Setting up Google AdWords, landing pages, and so on. There's so many stuff here that you could take advantage. That is insane. But this is, I think, this is one of the no bullshit. This is one of the best videos about being honest on how to start make money in a cheap way. You can start for free if you're on affiliate marketing, ready to start about affiliate marketing. This is for you. If you're in a medium or an expert, this is also for you. And it's super cheap. You could start for free, or you could just pay the upgrade to a premium and just concentrate. Don't get out, take this weekend off and just don't do anything. Just learn and make notes and so on. But take advantage of this. Um, in the video, in the comment below, what would you like to learn about affiliate marketing? Trust me, I know it all. I know about social media. I know how to use the ClickMagick, PPC, Bing, Google AdWords, um, anything. I just love traffic. I love conversion. I love marketing. This that's my passion, and this is what I'm gonna do from now on. Today is December the 3rd, 2018, and my channel is gonna be about affiliate marketing, helping you how to make money online and show you great stuff. Take advantage of this. Let me know you like the video or not. Just if you don't like it, still the thumbs up. If you like it, thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know. Let me know what would you like to learn about when it comes to affiliate marketing. That's it for now. I just wanted to show you what the Powerhouse Affiliate is. All the courses that they have um, for like $47. You can learn so much. Look at all these courses. All these courses for just $47 on a month. Um, it will take you some good time, but if I'm sure if you are like really cheap when it comes to money, just pay 1 month and go for it. Just have your notebook, write down, take the course, and then spread the word. Because maybe if you bring 1 or 2 people with this, showing exactly what you're about to learn, guess what? This membership is gonna be free for you. So take advantage of this. Contact me. Let me know what you think about this, and I could help you out. But you need to start today. So take care. My name is Ricardo Figueroa. I have a blessed day on purpose.